Bisasa says the entire Police Service Commission should resign in shame. And internationally, former U.S. President Donald Trump sues his niece and New York Times over tax story. And now the news in detail. Embattled Acting Police Commissioner Gary Griffith on Tuesday dismissed claims by National Security Minister Fitzgerald Hines that he is now a civilian after the Police Service Commission ordered him not to return to duty. In an Express article, Hines is quoted as saying that Griffith was now a civilian with no power. But in response to this, Griffith told Newsday that unfortunately the minister is wrong. Griffith went on to say that again, the minister does not understand the difference between a substantive acting COP who is appointed by the PSC to one who is acting COP in the absence of the appointed one. Griffith further explained, quote, for example, when Stephen Williams was the appointed acting, if he went abroad, he was not demoted to be a DCP, but someone acted in his absence. A child could understand this, end quote. Griffith was appointed to act in August, but was told not to return to work by the PSC. He threatened to sue if it did not rescind its position, and on Monday followed through on the promise and filed his lawsuit. That court matter was adjourned to next Monday. In more news, opposition leader Mrs. Kamla Persad-Bissessar is calling on the entire membership of the Police Service Commission to resign in shame for the crisis surrounding the appointment of a substantive police commissioner, the appointment of someone to act in that position, and the scandal of 2 police officers acting at the same time as police commissioner. Speaking at the UNC's weekly Monday Night Forum virtual meeting, Mrs. Persad-Bissessar said the bypassing of Parliament to appoint a police commissioner and an acting police commissioner has led to a constitutional crisis. She said that chairman of the PSC, Bliss C. Persad, has many questions to answer, including, did it act unlawfully in sending a letter to Mr. Griffith saying he's acting? Mrs. Persad-Bissessar claimed there are 2 acting police commissioners at the same time, a first in TNT's history. She also questioned whether the PSC sent a merit list in writing for the acting and substantive police commissioner positions to the president as legally required. According to Persad-Bissessar, it is alleged that the president did receive a merit list with respect to the acting position dated on or about August 12th. Persad-Bissessar at the Monday Night Forum noted that from her information, the president did acknowledge that she did receive the merit list. Persad-Bissessar questioned then, why did the president not send the notification to the parliament? Because according to the former prime minister, such an appointment has to be approved by the House of Representatives. Persad-Bissessar further added that she holds no brief for former Police Commissioner Griffith, but is concerned about the process used to appoint an acting police commissioner. Internationally, former U.S. President Donald Trump is suing his niece and the New York Times over a 2018 article that alleged Mr. Trump was involved in dubious tax schemes. The lawsuit filed in New York accuses Mary Trump and newspaper reporters of being engaged in an insidious plot to obtain confidential documents. It alleges that Ms. Trump, 56, breached a settlement agreement barring her from disclosing the documents. In response, Ms. Trump said the lawsuit was a sign of desperation. Ms. Trump revealed herself as the source of the story in a tell-all memoir in 2020. And that was the 4 o'clock news on The Street, 919 FM, and online Facebook and YouTube. Recapping the headlines, Acting Police Commissioner Gary Griffith says he is still acting cop and that National Security Minister Fitzgerald Hines got it wrong. Former Prime Minister Mrs. Kamla Persad-Bissessar says the entire Police Service Commission should resign in shame. And internationally, former U.S. President Donald Trump sues his niece and New York Times over tax story. Do enjoy your afternoon and continue to be safe. Robert, he's going to be holding it down for Miss Aisha Wells.
From the street. News from the street. 919fm.com.
Thanks. It is the pinnacle of high-performance vision through a lens. It's clarity, no matter what angle you look at. It's comfort, no matter what you do all day, every day. And it's customized with every digital measurement your eyes require to see at their very best. Apex Digital Lenses by Value Optical, the ultimate lens design for your eyes. Value Optical, expert care for your eyes.
Simpsons Memorial Limited, number 63 Eastern Main Road, Laventille. Internationally accredited funeral directors and embalmers. A full-service funeral home serving families of Trinidad and Tobago and internationally since 1945. At Simpsons Memorial Limited, we serve with dignity in assisting families in honoring the memory of their loved ones. Our services include professional funeral